Good morning, you beautiful sons of... Damn. This freaking cold that I have has been whooping my butt. It started like over a month ago, and right around Christmas Eve until right before New Year's, I was like, all right, I got this thing licked. I had almost a week of feeling pretty good, and yeah, that didn't last long. So that didn't last long, and I've been trying everything and anything and everything to try to get rid of this thing. I am on an antibiotic. We had antibiotics at the house, and my wife told me, she's like, hey, I have some antibiotics here. Why don't you take these? And, at least you'll be on some antibiotics. And I know not every antibiotic is created equally. And I can't remember what the hell they are. Like, I got to be careful. Like, I can't just take any antibiotic. I can't take penicillin. Penicillin will put me in an anaphylactic shock and kill me. So, we can't take penicillin. But there's like 2 or 3 good ones that work pretty good, but they're hard on me. And so my wife had this one, and she said, try these, see if they help you out. And I felt like at first they were helping me, but I don't think they've really done much. Whether this second cold that I have, it might not even be part of the first one. That first one I had was a severe sinus infection / fucking death. Like, it was so bad. It was so bad. I had to go to Georgia, and I'd never had to pull the truck over because I was so sick. I had a headache so bad that I had to pull the truck over for a couple hours. That's never happened to me before. I went to Texas with COVID, with an ear infection and COVID, and I didn't have to stop the truck because I was sick. This sumbitch here made me stop the truck because I was so sick. Now, since New Year's, I caught this all over again, and it's not as severe as the first time I had it, but hold on. Yeah, like, this one hasn't been as severe as the last one, but I'm telling you right now, it hasn't been a lot of fun. Is what's going on is my whole right side. It looks like my left side, but it's not. It's my right side. I got my camera facing me, and this whole side was plugged up. Like, my eye and my tear duct plugged up, and it felt like somebody threw sawdust in my eyeball. It was terrible. It was terrible. I couldn't sleep because of it. It hurt so bad, and I couldn't breathe. And the nasal spray. It's amazing what this nasal spray. I stopped it, and I got a shower last night, and I hit that nasal spray, and oh my god, what a difference. But I feel like I'm becoming a professional with this whole nasal spray stuff. Alright, so I feel like I'm becoming sort of an expert on this shit. I've tried, I can't tell you how many different types of nasal spray, and my wife said, you gotta try this Z-Cam. This stuff works great. She's like, it's awesome. It's really good stuff. It'll have you cleared up in no time. And I've been using this, I don't know, Neo's spray. I can't pronounce it. Whatever it is there. And it was working pretty good. And I have another one. I can't remember the name of it either. The other one I have has the same active ingredient. It's that propylene 1% or whatever the hell it is there. I can't pronounce it. That's the active ingredient in almost every nasal spray. And the Z-Cam has a few different things in it. And my wife pointed out to me. I said, what all's in there? And, oh shit, I don't even know if it's on here. Oh, there it is. There's the active ingredients. Come on, sucker. Like, it's a little bit different. It uses a little different stuff. But 90% of these nasal sprays all use the same damn thing. And so what I've been doing is the Z-Cam won't open me up no matter what the hell I do. So I've been getting a little shot of the Neo here with this next blast I have. So with this, I had a really bad sinus infection here about a month ago, and it's never really cleared the hell up. And it's came back here with a vengeance, and it's kicking my butt again. So what I've been doing is doing one shot of this, just a little bit, like probably like a half a squirt, just enough to start opening me up, and then I hit it with the Zicam. I give it a good blast with that Zicam, and you gotta watch, because this shit allegedly is somewhat addicting, and I know that's not what I got going on, but like, I guess it can be addicting or whatever. But yeah, this stuff, this sinus infection is kicking my butt. This has been a freaking nightmare. But I feel like I'm getting close to the end of it. Like, my eyeball's finally a little better. You can see it's still a little red. Like, my eye was bloodshot red because my tear duct's plugged up on my upper eyelid, and it felt like somebody threw sand in my eye. So I started like rubbing this down through here, and like I put a wet warm paper towel on my eyeball, and I just held it there, and that seemed to really help. I didn't get much sleep because it was tormenting me. Like, I was really struggling to sleep because I was so stressed out from all this. Like, I felt like crap. And I finally got some sleep last night. I woke up plugged up tighter than hell again. I'm like, God damn it. So I did my routine where, like, I'm still, like, this side's better than this side. But this side, like, it was locked clear up. I could not breathe at all. Not even a little bit. I'm just like, this is going to be a death on me. And now I'm starting to get like some mucus and stuff. So I'm starting to wonder if I'm at the tail end of this thing, or if it's ramping up here for another run. I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh, and another thing that I do is I use this throat spray stuff. This stuff here has been a game changer for me, because as soon as my throat gets sore, I just take a couple squirts. I woke up before with a sore throat that turned into what felt like strep throat before. And I blame that on smoking. I feel like from smoking, that ruined the lining in my throat. All right, these guys are done unloading me. Peace and love, y'all. Hope everybody's doing good. Happy New Year. Alright, let's finish that video. I was saying that I think smoking destroyed like the lining in my throat. Or if it didn't destroy it, the heartburn and acid reflux that I had from smoking destroyed it. One of the two. Or it could be from me throwing up from the heroin. When I was on heroin and when I was on a lot of heavy drugs, I threw up a lot. Like, we used to always say, oh, if it didn't make you throw up, it ain't any good. So like, if I did a blast of heroin and I didn't throw up, it wasn't very good. It wasn't very good. Like, that was how we, like, you know, if you threw up doing heroin, you knew you better hang on because you were going to be fucked up. So yeah, that was 20 years ago. So yeah, but anyhow, I feel like the back of my throat is destroyed from all the hell that I put it through. And so like, I'll wake up in the morning, and if I just breathe with my mouth open, you know, I guess if I sleep like that, you know, I think I'm gonna wake up and my throat's gonna be sore. Like, it's literally, I woken up with a sore throat that I lost my voice. And so what I do now is I just take this throat spray, get a couple sprays, and I'm good to go. It numbs my throat, gives my throat a chance to heal up. A bunch of prisoners there, it looks like. I couldn't get my thing around. Anyhow, and yeah, so I really think that's why my throat is so bad. But anyhow, alright, I just wanted to wrap this video up in a little bow for y'all. I hope everybody's having a good 2024. We're just getting started, and yeah, it's Friday, so I'm gonna make it home tonight. I'm gonna probably go shoot. There's an invitational. I'm gonna go shoot it tonight, I believe. And then on Sunday we got a money shoot. So that's awesome. Shooting our bows, lots going on. Hope everybody's doing good. I gotta get over this shit. Like, it's gotta go. It's gotta freaking go. I can't be sick like this. Like, I don't even feel sick. My sinuses are so swelled up that as soon as I sneeze or as soon as something happens, my sinuses go into like, you know, protection mode or something, and they just swell up. It's like mother, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. All right, everybody. Peace and love. Like and subscribe. All that fun, happy jazz. See y'all.